Mercedes-Benz Museum's close-up is self-explanatory. The series closely looks into Mercedes vehicles that tell a surprising and exciting backgrounder. And today's feature showed us the Daimler motorized vehicle, the ancestor of today's Sprinter van. Unlike the Mercedes Sprinter that we know today, which ferries people or cargo while housed inside a hulking sheet of metal, the 1899 Daimler motorized vehicle was different. Introduced shortly after Karl Benz came up with the Benz Patent-Motorwahen, it didn't have anything to protect the passenger and cargo from outside elements. What it does, however, is introduce a number of new things in the automotive realm. The Daimler motorized vehicle used a tubular radiator, which was invented by Wilhelm Maybach. The component allowed better engine cooling and increased performance, which enabled the automobile to haul cargo and people as it was meant to. Daimler Motor and Gesellschaft, DMG's first van was designed to handle up to 1,102 pounds, 500 kilograms of payload. It was powered by a 1.5-liter two-cylinder engine that made 5.6 horsepower, 4.1 kilowatts, with a mind-bending top speed of 9.9 miles per hour, 16 kilometers per hour. This evolved the following year, with payload ranging from 1,764 to 7,055 pounds, 800 to 3,200 kilograms, and power ranging from 4 horsepower, 2.9 kilowatts, to 8 horsepower, 5.9 kilowatts, with a two-cylinder engine and 6 horsepower, 4.4 kilowatts, to 12 horsepower, 8.8 kilowatts, with a 4-cylinder engine. Unlike Mercedes-Benz's first truck in 1896 that uses a belt-driven system, the engine Daimler motorized vehicle propelled the rear wheels via 2 chain wheels and 2 roller chains. Even the design has evolved. The first versions of the ancestral Sprinter van came with the engine under the seat and a freestanding steering column. The newer version, which was featured at the Mercedes Museum, had the engine on top of the front axle protected by a bonnet. It was also using rubber-shod wheels, which was a departure from the use of wooden tires. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and turn on notification for more video. Welcome to Shoppes Africa. Today we present to you one of our craftswomen, Halima Abdul Soumay. She was born in Morogoro. She started her business in 2018 by sewing huts, and then she expanded into clothing. She is a craftswoman and also an entrepreneur. She works with the trends of the market. When the bag market started to rise, she moved into it because she does what is trending, so that she can make her daily. Her designs are inspired by cultural references. Actually, she enjoys creating and selling cultural products. She is 32, and she is the mother of 3 children, Amina, Jura, and Zakaya. She has got a team of 3 people who are helping her. Her main is to reach out the target market, which is difficult because she has to make the bags and also looking for clients. From the precious products we see, Halima needs people who will value the products she makes. Our task is to make sure that Halima is seen by the people, and the people should support her by all means, making sure that she gets what she deserves. Visit shopesafrica.com to buy her products.